Hey everybody, J&A Review, and today we're at Triple H RV right here in Haleyville, Alabama. Dude, we have not seen one of these in such a long time. It is a 2026 Primetime LaCrosse, model number 3411RK. So let's get started. The length on this LaCrosse is 39 feet, 1 inch. My goodness. The dry weight is 8,963 with a hitch weight of 1,045 with a GVWR of 11,245. Okay, well, she's not short.
She's not short and she's not light either. But
wow.
Yeah, like you said, we have not seen a LaCrosse in a while, so we were kind of anxious to see what kind of upgrades they've done or changes they've made. Obviously, right at the front, you can tell that their logo is different. And every time I see LaCrosse, I want to say Buick, but that's what happens when you were an insurance adjuster for a long time. Anyway, back on track here. Let me get up here at the front. You are going to have a power tongue jack on this one, and of course your propane is going to go under this cover. Your batteries will mount right back here behind it. Now this is going to be a front kitchen model, so you're not going to have just a ton of storage, but we'll show you some on the other side. Your connections are going to go in here. No, tank pools are not here for that, so okay.
We'll try to find them.
Yeah. I'm sure they're going to be on down probably where the
Actually,
are.
if you've been down, you've got a quick connect.
Yes, you do.
Huh,
wow. All right. You are going to have a little bit of storage right here. Well, this is probably going to be pretty decent storage. It should be under the bed area.
Yeah.
So, yeah, pretty nice. Do have a light in there. And we have our little grasshopper friend. There he is. Isn't he cute? Okay. Sorry, I got distracted. So, yeah, tank pools down here where one of your dump areas. These are going to have Schwintek slides on these. Okay. Now, like I said, the LaCrosse, their graphics are crisp and clean, very straight to the point. Nice.
Got another dump.
Yep, back here, and the pool, and
tankless water heater.
yes.
Those electric stabilizers.
It is, and somebody left us some dip back here.
Hey, cool. I'll get the rest of it.
No, that's okay.
Dadgummit, it's empty.
Aww. All right, here at the back. Wow, there's no ladder. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
So yeah, you're going to have power stabilizers, and it looks like they're independent on each side.
Well, I don't know. I don't see but one button.
Okay, well, you do have power stabilizers on this one. You're going to have a spare back here at the back. It is prepped for a backup camera, but like I said, I'm not really sure where the ladder situation is. There's not one mounted, and I don't see it prepped for the Lippert ladder, so you may have to provide your own ladder on this one. Bummer.
Well, is it a walkable roof? We don't know that.
Well, I don't know that because they didn't tell us. Now this does have a rack and pinion slide over here on this side. Going down here, I can show you this great stripe they have going on. And like I said, this is a front kitchen, so there's just not a ton of storage, but there is a little bit right up here. So we'll show you this.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not terrible, but that's just what you're going to get.
Well, there's where your other one, your front one.
Yeah.
It's right there.
Yeah. So,
Yeah. Well, those sound different than ours.
yeah. Well, ours needs a
Needs a little
WD-40 on them. But, hey, yeah, they give you a bracket out here so you can bring your TV out. Awning is 16 feet. And it does have a light strip in it, so.
All right. Let's check this dude out.
Let's go see what they've done on the inside. I like that big window right there in the slide so you can see who is standing at your door.
Yep.
That way you can decide if you want to let them in or not. All right, guys. Well, again, we have not done a LaCrosse in quite a while, so we were just kind of excited to see this one. Now, right off the bat, I'm going to tell you this has nice high ceilings. These are 6'8" ceilings on the inside. So for a travel trailer, that's pretty good head clearance in here. We'll go ahead and start at the back. LaCrosse is going to give you solid surface countertops. Nice big stainless steel sink, high-rise faucet,
Cutting board.
drain, and then this little. So they give you sort of a swanky sink. It doesn't have all of the stuff on it, but it does have a glass washer. So very nice.
Goodness gracious at the cabinet.
Yeah, lots of cabinets across the top up there. I think this backsplash is different. I don't remember seeing the subway tile style. And you have a spice rack in there. So I like that.
You know, something I just thought of, I think the kitchen has
The kitchen may be a little
maybe a little smaller
Yeah,
than it used to be.
Then you got drawers. And there is a cabinet under the sink.
Oh, there you go.
And tire pressure monitoring system.
And another one over here. And
there's no oven.
no oven.
So they give you the microwave with an air fryer.
Yeah.
I like the air fryer thing, but now I like ovens.
What do y'all think?
Yeah, tell me what you think. How do you feel about not having an oven? I'm going to tell you, this cooktop though is exactly like ours, and it's awesome. I mean,
Yeah, it lights up every time.
yeah, we really like it. I love the big window back here at the back. And then they are going to give you a French style fridge with the 2 freezers down
the
here
bottom.
at the bottom.
All right.
Over here, you've got this pantry area. So let me, and then of course up here is all the stuff to secure your refrigerator in transit. And so yeah, and those are actually pretty deep. They're
Yes,
pretty
they
deep
are.
shelves. So you have actually really nice storage in there. And let me back up. I just want to show you guys all of this floor space you have in here. So you have got some really good space in here. Over here on your entertainment, this looks like a 50-inch TV.
I don't know, I like this, all these windows over here.
Yes, now they give you some big windows in here.
Yes, ma'am, 50.
Yay! And it's back here in a corner, so it's got a great angle to it. You've got a Furrion soundbar. We have one of those. It works wonderfully. Electric fireplace down here, and then finishing out this front slide with these wonderful big windows is your freestanding table and 4 chairs. Now, turning around, LaCrosse is going to put the heating in the floor. You've got some plug-ins all the way around. It does point out that you have a PVC roof membrane, but it doesn't say if it's walkable or not. I'm going to say it is, but now don't quote me on that. But now, your love seat is in this slide out here all by itself. It has nice big windows, cup holders. What is that? A charger?
Yeah.
Yes. So,
Yeah.
And that looks comfortable.
It is. I'm looking right at the TV. It's pretty nice.
Then you've got, they're not really end tables, but you have these little shelves that are on both sides, so you can put your remote on or something like that. And finishing out the living room area, you're going to have a love seat down here. This should make into
This makes
a
into a
sleeping.
bed. Yes.
Seriously, you're going to get one person on it, but hey, that's okay if you got one friend. Mirror there, and then there is storage up above that. Again, I love these high ceilings in here. This is just super, super nice. AC unit is going to be right up there. And let's go check out what's behind this door.
All the controls.
In case you need to know, you've got dual 15,000 AC. And then you're going to have this walk-through bathroom. Now, again, there's people who love them, there's people who hate them. This one is huge. I mean, it's huge.
This is a 30 by 40.
Ooh, 30 by 40.
Yeah.
Nice size shower. There is a skylight up there, so, I mean, Jeremy's 6 feet tall. Got plenty of headroom. Now
Really
there
nice.
is a little bit of a step up getting into this one, but you see that your vent's going to be there in the side. Now let's look at it this way. You've got a rack up there for some towels and stuff. Porcelain foot flush toilet. And if you have a problem with this leg room, I want to meet you because you are massively tall.
Wow.
Yeah. And then over here in your vanity area, you're going to have a medicine cabinet with 2 doors.
Boom.
Yeah, nice. And then great area around the sink and tons of storage underneath the sink. So
I think I like this sink with this.
yeah, I like that the lip is on the outside, so that might help with water a little bit. Then you got all kinds of fun stuff over here.
And your slide out for your bedroom is over here. Because once it comes in,
Gets in.
yeah.
All right, but hang on. We are not finished with the bathroom. Let me turn around. I mean, y'all, this bathroom is just huge. It's huge. You also have this great closet here, so you can use it for hanging. You can do your shelves. You can do a stackable washer and dryer. You can do a combo unit. You name it. It's
I like
hey, you
that.
could almost put your dog kennel in there, leave the door open, and have a space for your Fido. All right, main bedroom. It's going to be at the front. They
Wow.
are giving you a. It says Camp King. I'm not sure what they're calling a Camp King. Now most of them are going to be a 70 by 80.
Well, let's see. Well, that's 80 that
That's
way.
80. Well, that's got to be 70 by 80. Surely to goodness.
Yep, that's what they're calling
Okay,
it.
yeah. So yeah, your regular camper size king bed. You do have a couple of shelves right up here in the corner. You can see those on top of the headboard. And some little windows with the pleated shades.
Got a little storage under
Then you
there.
do have storage underneath, and you did have access to that from the outside.
Yep. Oh,
Yeah,
goodness.
yeah, down here at the foot of the bed. And I think this is something that they have done. I think the cabinet colors are different.
Wow.
But yeah, you've got all this great storage
Goodness gracious.
and a fireplace. I mean, come on. I'm not sure. Is there stuff on the end of that for a TV?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, I was thinking I didn't see where you could mount one, but the connections are going to be on the
I
end
wonder
of
if
this
you're going to
dresser.
have to just put it up here.
Probably have to put it up there
And then
just-
transit, throw it on the bed.
Yeah, just put it on the bed when you're traveling.
Oh,
Up
wow.
front, look how
Good night.
big this hanging area is, guys. This is just really, really good. You do have some storage down here, and now this is, you can access that front there if you need it. And then you have another hanging area over there,
Wow.
shelf across the top, and then you do have a second AC in here. And again, you've got lots and lots of headroom in here.
Power and USB on this side.
Yes.
And
Now
you've
your
got
fuses are gonna
USB
be
and
at the
power over here. Wow.
And I don't see any power on this side, but so you're going to have power at least on one side, though. All right, guys.
And yeah, pleated shades
Yeah,
throughout.
pleated shades.
I want to point that out.
Yeah. So, hey, how do you like this? Tell us what you think about the pass-through bathroom. Love it, hate it, don't care. I'm just glad it's got a bathroom.
All right, everybody. And we didn't even put out, that would have probably got the golden plunger.
It would have, and apparently we have lost our plunger. So.
No, I know where it is. All right, everybody. If you like this LaCrosse, the dealership's information be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.